All right, here we are, checking out this new build. Drywall's been put in, taped and floated, primered, ready to go. Caulking still hasn't been done on the baseboard. Outlets haven't been put in, but you can get a general idea of what this place is starting to look like. Coming along nicely. Doors, still got plastic on the windows to protect, which is always nice. Keep your plastic on there. Nice. With that, stepped on something I shouldn't have stepped on. This is important. Gas test. Pressurize the system. Make sure it stays pressurized over a certain amount of time. Cabinets are in. They're not the greatest. Laminate. I don't know if they're going to be putting in a backsplash or not. Kind of a weird choice to do rounded stuff. You remember me last time I said they should have put a door in there, but it wasn't done. So you just got a big void there of empty space now. Let's Ooh, it is warm up here. So this is pretty interesting. There's vents on the bottom of all the doors. They're already starting to fall out. So that's interesting, not good. So the trim hasn't been painted yet. Problem with going with this rounded is you have to put a little piece of trim in like that, which is fine, whatever. You caulk it, you paint it, but then guess what? You kick it, you stub your toe on it, whatever. Hit a piece of furniture on it, breaks off. Remember, this is also that useless space that I said that could have been moved over. So this could have been potentially all the way over to here. You would have more space to go in. But, you know, it is what it is. People want what they want. I like this layout, though, in general. Pretty good size. Bedroom, bathroom, little bonus room over here. Not too shabby. Not too shabby at all. Anyway, looks pretty decent. Got to get back to doing the actual inspection now that I've given you a quick tour of this new construction. If you have any questions, want your own project to have some phase inspections, so you got to mark circles around it where you got imperfections so they fix it. If you don't mark it, they'll say they can't find it. Anyway, be blessed, bless others. Reach out if you need anything, if you want to sell anything. It's real estate. Nice vintage motorcycle, some good quality beard oil, whatever you got, feel free to reach out. That is a wasp. I think I'll move out of its way. Wasp, you can stay inside of there. Be blessed, bless others. Reach out if you need anything. Have a great day.